the crisis of global warming is real. The Antarctic ice shelf continues to break up, the Dead Sea water level is showing signs of continuing water loss, and the Gangotri and Khumbu glaciers have been found to be shrinking at an alarming rate, just to name a few of the disastrous effects on our planet. Global warming is also causing the climate to change. According to Professor Barry Brook, Director of the Research Institute for Climate Change and Sustainability at the University of Adelaide in Australia, climate changes associated with global warming are taking place at a much faster rate than previously predicted. How can we stop global warming? What is the solution? In light of the scientific evidence stressing the grave state of our planet caused by climate change and the urgent need for immediate action, Supreme Master Ching Hai affirms the important message she has been delivering for over the past 2 decades. We must be vegetarian, meaning an animal-free diet, and we must practice sustainable living. The significance of a vegetarian diet, one that is animal-free, is further supported by the 2006 UN report, Livestock's Long Shadow, which states that raising animals for livestock generates more carbon emissions than all of the world's transport combined. In fact, farm animals also release other noxious gases, including methane, a gas that is 20 times more lethal a greenhouse gas than carbon dioxide. After over 20 years of sharing her knowledge on how to live a balanced life while pursuing a spiritual path, Supreme Master Ching Hai continues to dedicate her time and effort to uplift and enhance the life of all beings. Motivated by her unconditional love and overflowing compassion for our planet and its co-inhabitants, humans and animals alike, Supreme Master Ching Hai selflessly accepts invitations to share her insights and wisdom on the topic of global warming and climate change, such as gatherings with our association members, symposiums, or via video conferences and the like. To address the urgent issue of climate change and how to stop global warming, our association members in Tokyo hosted the SOS Stop Global Warming Seminar on July 27, 2008. This was a gathering of concerned dignitaries from technology, medicine and other fields, each of whom had prepared questions to ask the special honoured guest Supreme Master Ching Hai. Despite her busy schedule, Supreme Master Ching Hai graciously took the time to answer all the questions, providing both universal insights as well as astute advice for the people of Japan. We now invite you to enjoy part 2 of the rebroadcast of this momentous event. The SOS Stop Global Warming Seminar in Tokyo, Japan on July 27, 2008, with Supreme Master Ching Hai as special guest of honour.
Our next speaker this evening is Mr. Tatsuo Murakami. He is an industrial designer and the executive director of Hario Glass Corporation, which incidentally is an outstanding eco-friendly company in Japan.
Wow.
こんにちは、村上です。私の職業はインダストリアルデザイナーで、便利なものをたくさん作っているんですが、その便利なものが結果的に行き過ぎて災いを生んでしまっているというような自覚が最近ありまして、それで石油を燃やして車を走らせる、あとどんどん消費を推進するような商品をたくさん作るというようなことを長年やってまいりました。そういう結果、ワンウェイの消費傾向で、ずっとものを作ってきてるんですが、ここに来て、それの限界というか、それが良いことではないという、実際には危機になったということで、それをどのように受け止めればいいかということが一つの質問です。
How possible? Well, you have to do some research, yes, and see what is a better solution. There are many choices, but it takes some time. Meanwhile, do not blame yourself so much. You can do only your best. What you have been doing was according to what you know as the best. What the people have been doing up to now also It's according to what they know as the best. But if you think anything is not good in our life, then we have to change it. And we can do research on internet or all kind of scientific information available nowadays to try to make life better. That's why I suggest vegetarian diet, including not wearing animals product and all that. And we have to help one another as well. And slowly things will change for the better.
ありがとうございます。非常に、励みになる回答をいただきまして本当にありがとうございました。もう一つだけ、お尋ねしたいんですが、一番安全な材料として私は今、ガラスという素材を使っていろいろなものを作ることをしております。本来、あんまり、ピュアな材料として非常に地球上では認識されている材料を使うという、そういう方法によって、新しいクッキングのための食器だとか、そういうものを今手がけておりますけども、そういう方向は、自分の今ジョブになっておりますが、そういったことでリサイクルというワンウェイではなくてリサイクルということがかなり方向としては正しいのかどうか、その辺について一つご示唆をいただきたいなというふうに思います。
Yes, of course, sir, of course. Everything recyclable is more healthy for us and for the planet. And thank you for doing that. I hope other people will emulate you and do the right thing. Thank you for being eco-conscious.
Thank you very much, Supreme Master Chin Hai.
ありがとうございました。
Thank you, Mr. Tasuo. Thank you, Mr. Tasuo Murakami. Arigato.